Hey folks, in today's video I will talk about the editor access in Webflow and how you can access it. So first of all, what is the editor access? Webflow has two main rights for team members. So first of all, the team members that are working in the designer itself, so any kind of team member that is changing how the visual appearance of the website looks like, and then there's the editor access. Editor access is mainly for team members that are doing, for example, copy changes or are adding items to your CMS, like, for example, blog articles. To add someone to have edit access, you can just go to site access and then add a content editor. You can type in their email address and they will get an invite right to their email address and can sign up for Webflow. And now the question is, how do you access the editor? And you can obviously also do this if you have a design access, but probably most likely it's relevant for the content editors. So let's just add a question mark, edit, edit equals 1 to the URL. And then you can see down here, this login will pop up. And now I'm just typing in my email address. And I'm also pasting in my password real quick, and then we can quickly log in and see how it looks. And as you can see here now, the whole editor comes up. And I have the possibility now to add edit the content up here really easily, but I can also click here on pages, collections, and forms and manage all of that from the editor access. And that's how you edit how you access the editor on Webflow. If you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, a follow, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.